Are you ready?
Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake. So today I want to do this strawberries hack that I've been seeing on social media, going that when you soak your strawberries with salt, you will see all these worms, these things coming out of it. And I've been buying strawberries and I've been soaking my strawberries with apple cider vinegar and baking soda, something like that, and I haven't seen any of those nasty stuff that I see on the internet. So today I want to come and try and soak it with salt and see if I'll definitely see all this thing that people always see on Facebook. So you guys can see my bowl is clean. This is my strawberries, so I'm just going to pour the strawberries in here so you guys can see. We pour everything. I'm going to soak the strawberries with water. We're going to use cold water. So we're going to soak the strawberries with cold water. Make sure the water is full. Get the strawberries soaked into the water. So you guys can see underneath the pan, just like the normal dirty when you wash the strawberries. But I haven't seen any kind of warmish thing coming out. But I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to put it around. Just soak it with salt. Hopefully the taste of the salt will not be on the strawberries, but we're just gonna soak this with salt. I know that's a lot of salt, but yeah, I really want to see the magic this thing is going to work. Soak it down with salt. Okay, I haven't seen stuff like this, and I just want to see if it's really have all these things that I'm seeing on social media. Social media is getting me crazy because my kids love strawberries. So I'm like, we're gonna try this first. So we're gonna leave this one to soak. I've created a mess here. Trying to put this one in the dustbin. Let's leave the strawberries to soak. Maybe it's the country where you guys are from that your strawberries is that dirty, but this is just normal dirt that I'm seeing right underneath when you wash a strawberries, like just normal dirt. Just like the dry leaf, the thing that is on the strawberry. I haven't seen any nasty thing, not yet. Trying to soak the strawberries, like go inside the water, go underneath the water. Let me soak yourself in. I want to see all that. This just me. I haven't seen any of those nasty stuff, because I'll be like, how the hell will anyone sell strawberries that have worms and all this dirty stuff in it? What kind of money are you looking for that is so important than human beings' life? So this is the strawberry hack. We are hacking. I know I look so crazy doing this, but hey, when I see stuff, and I've been thinking about this thing for quite a while now, so yep, we're gonna do it. You guys can see it's just normal dirt. I haven't seen any crazy, weird, creepy thing in there. But anyway, let's wait. Maybe I'll see a cockroach coming out. Oh, I haven't seen any crazy things. But anyway, let's wait. We're just gonna leave it for a few minutes to soak. Yeah, I just put it. You know what? I'm gonna leave it for like few minutes for it to soak, and then I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. So it has been more than 5 minutes now. I even let it to soak for too long. So now we're going to watch. Actually, you guys can see it's just the normal dirt. Let me just take it and put it in this container. You see, I didn't see anything underneath here. Nothing strange. Just the normal dirt when you wash the strawberries. I didn't see any kind of worm or any kind of thing, no crazy thing, just the normal hair, you know, this little hair on the strawberries, the little hair, that's what's in there. So yeah, there's actually nothing in here, so I don't know why they always. I'm going to rinse it again to just get the salt out of it, because my little girl, she can't wait to eat the strawberries. She's just standing like waiting for me to tell her you can eat it now. I'm just going to rinse it just to get all the water out. But I didn't see any strange things, so yeah. I feel like that's the internet hack thing, you know, because when you see strange things, that is how you look. You know, when I look at a video of somebody just washing a normal strawberries, yeah. Yeah, that is it. Lekker? Yeah? So guys, this is it. So all those things I've been saying on social media is just fake. There's nothing is hiding in my strawberries. Anyway, the strawberries in Holland, they're always clean. They're always clean. The strawberries in Holland are always clean. There's no dirt in here. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This is to get Amy. Bye.